You may think I'm nuts, but here's what you do, and I know it works because I've tested it with at least 15 to 20 people to see this increase their competence, their ability to handle the camera, the ability to handle their equipment, and interestingly enough, have less accidents with them. That is handling the camera. When you get a camera, before you turn it on, before you mess with it, before you do anything, is you handle it. You handle it, you play with it, you throw it up and down. You don't drop it. If you're going to play with it, you should put something down here, but I'm pretty confident because I've done this a lot. Feel it, touch it, snuggle with it, look through it, move all the dials, and you flip things on and off, open the screens and grip down here, you pull that out and you stick it back, flip it around, and you set it on your knee and you throw it up and down and you play catch with it. Most people, they get the camera and the first thing they do is they're afraid to touch it. You just need to get over that before you even start turning this thing on and messing with it. The same goes, for instance, with a lens, $1,000 lens. Grab it, play with it. Throw it up in the air and catch it. Once you get familiar with these things and you don't feel the, ooh, it's really, really expensive, and then figure out what the knob does and how it reacts on your camera. Stick it on my camera, yank it into place, boom, I'm good to go. I'm not saying mishandle your equipment. Once you're not afraid of this thing and you're not super careful with this thing, you'll be able to control it. Then the next step is, yes, turn the camera off. What does this button do? Where's the menu? Let's format the card. Click, 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 click. Formatting done. Let's set the aperture. Let's set the shutter speed. Let's turn the stabilizer off. You get the point. It's first, use it, get familiar with it, play with it, handle it, sleep with it, make it your buddy, get familiar with using this piece of equipment and handling it, not backing off and being afraid of it, or you'll just move in slow motion. Your attention won't be on the camera and the buttons and how do I format. You'll walk into a place, you'll set up your camera, you'll throw your card in here, you'll format the card, you'll set it, you'll look at the ISO, you'll set the aperture, you'll set the focus, you'll get everything good to go, you'll get it framed properly, you'll say good, action, go. And that's how you gain control over your camera, and that's how you get really fast at setting up a shoot and really fast at filming. And the same applies for lenses, the same applies for lights, the same applies for microphones, and the same applies for your editing program. I think this will really help you out, and I think it will speed you up quickly. That's my little secret that I use with new guys, and boy, I'll tell you, they're really fast. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I bet all of you were thinking, you know what? This guy's going to drop that camera. He's going to flip this camera up, he's going to play with it, and he's going to drop the camera on the floor and all that stuff. I am not dropping this camera at all. See?